So while there are reports suggesting Samsung is already pulling the plug on its Edge series just after the release of its first generation, and that's mainly because of poor sales figure. And also Apple's iPhone 17 Air appears to got a disappointing welcome. But now, as per a tipster, another tech giant Xiaomi wants to try its luck in the ultra slim smartphone category, and he even shared the display and camera specs of the handset. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the upcoming Xiaomi's ultra slim smartphone will be named Xiaomi 17 Air, a very similar name to the iPhone 17 Air. But not surprising as they named their latest flagship lineup as Xiaomi 17 series. Anyway, as per the tipster, the Xiaomi 17 Air could feature 6.6 inches screen with 1.5K resolution. As a comparison, the iPhone 17 Air has a 6.5 inches and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge has a 6.7 inches screen. So size-wise, the Xiaomi 17 Air will be almost the same. For the camera, the handset is tipped to sport a 200 megapixel main camera, though the tipster didn't share how many cameras there will be in total. Anyway, by the camera, we can guess they are gonna put a flagship camera alongside a slim design. Also, he says the handset will adopt eSIM entirely, meaning no physical SIM slot. We can expect that from an ultra slim smartphone. So I think Xiaomi is going for a slim device with a more practical approach than its competitors. Like, there will be a powerful camera sensor. Typically we saw such high resolution cameras on flagship smartphones, and also Chinese brands are already using silicon tech batteries, which are known to offer more battery capacity in a slimmer package. For example, their flagship Xiaomi 17 Pro Max launched recently with a giant 7500 mAh battery capacity. So we guess the Xiaomi 17 Air will also be packed with a noticeably bigger battery compared to its competitors. Anyway, the Xiaomi 17 Air is still in the rumor mills, but of course I will keep you updated as soon as there are any more details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.